अगर शोएब अख्तर 143 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड पर बॉल फेंके और बाउंड्री 63 मीटर दूर है तो सचिन तेंदुलकर को कितने फोर्स से बल्ले को घुमाना पड़ेगा ताकि छक्का लगे? हैं? सोचो सोचो सोचो। अगर ट्रेन 120 मील पर आवर पर चल रहा है और एक एक करके हम उसका डब्बा निकालते रहें तो अकेला इंजन कितना स्पीड पर चलेगा?
भेजा निचोड़े जो सारे सवाल एक एक करके ढूंढ के निकाल, काहे न सुलझेंगे इनकी मजाल, नोच के दिखा दे बाल के विखाल। सवालों के बिना ही
जिंदगी है डार्क,
बल्ब की तरह जला दे क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्वेश्चन मार्क।
इतना ऊंचाई और -35 डिग्री पर बादल बर्फ का ही नहीं बनता।
जब अंतर मन करे चीतकार, उत्सुकता हो सर पे सवार, क्वेश्चन से तू मत मान हार, चल भिड़ जा बरखुरदार। भले बुद्धि की मुट्ठी हो टाइट हो, रॉन्ग राइट में छिड़ी फाइट, हर प्रश्न के उत्तर पर है तेरा अधिकार, अधिकार।
आपको क्या लगा आपके बच्चे से आपके लिए ही करेंगे? ये तो अभी ट्रेलर था, मूवी तो अभी बाकी है। और वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर डे टू ऑल।
Heartiest Teachers Day to each and every dearest teachers. I thank you all of you to sharing your knowledge with me and helping me in my studies. I want to share my memory with Pradeep sir which I had in my computer camp. Okay. Select Dear Pradeep sir, my IP teacher where IP is in inverted comma. I remember the first time I used to do HTML programming. I know I was very weak in computer as I was not that active in computers, but you are the teacher who developed my interest and my skills toward computers. Thank you for always guiding and sharing me your knowledge with me. I am thankful that I have a teacher like you. You helped me a lot in my computer basics and thanks for always being supporting to me. I update my interest in computers where computer is in inverted comma. Thank you.
Hello sir and hello ma'am. I Shubhanshu Singh, student of class 11th A, wishes you all a very happy Teachers Day. Sir and ma'am, you all are my favorite. Each one of you guide and support me in all of my subjects. Sir and ma'am, I feel privileged to be a student of yours. So, I would like to thank you all with these lines. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. So again, a very happy Teachers Day to you.
The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teachers, you are really awesome. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Well, I really don't know that I have an amazing story or not, but those stories make importance in my life. Well, maybe Joyce ma'am do not remember. So when I was child, like I was in 3rd or 4th class, I remember. So my elder sister was one of the student of Joyce ma'am, and when she left the school, she went to college. Well, I believe that teacher is not the one who always compliments us for what we are doing, but the one who always tells us that no, you are wrong there, or you can do more better, or encourages every time. And really, Joyce ma'am was such kind of teacher. I remember last year when I went to give the pre-board exams, I went there in one pony as I did not have time to make 2 ponies. So I went there. And when she saw me, she beat me up. And I was really like, there are many students in the class who came in one pony, but why only me? So I came out of the class. And really, they have been through a lot of hard things than we do. Well, I would like to say in Hindi here. But हमारी लाइफ बहुत आसान है उनके कंपैरिजन में, उनसे कंपेयर करना हमारी आज के टाइम पे टीचर्स कुछ भी नहीं होते। So she used to call me with the name Payal, and from that time she used to guide me. She was like always motivating me from that time, from 3rd to 4th class, and from like 8th, 9th, anchoring my means there are modifications, right? So she used to do that. Thank you and very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who have supported me and really I appreciate you all. बहुत आसान लगता है टीचर बनना बट नहीं होता है आसान, क्योंकि हमारे टाइम पे तो फिर भी बहुत वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट है, बट शायद उनके टाइम पे लड़कियों का पढ़ना ही बहुत बड़ी बात थी। तो अगर वो उस टाइम में भी पढ़कर आज टीचर हैं तो रियली आई सैल्यूट टू देम।
Hello ma'am, myself Ansh Tiwari of class 11th A, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day to all my respected sir, ma'am, and this is for my favorite chemistry ma'am, Vinita ma'am. Ma'am, I have no words to thank you for being so patient in teaching me, making me understand a difficult subject like chemistry. Thank you ma'am, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day. Dear Pradeep sir, it is grateful to have you in as my maths teacher, as you are the teacher who may not taught us to add love and minus 8, but you taught us so much that we can use in our life. I cannot use y equals to mx plus b in my life, but I can use the lesson you taught that never to give up, and that there is more than one way to solve a problem, and that it is okay to ask for a help when it is scary to think even that I need a help. So thank you for everything sir, and once again happy Teachers Day sir.
Ma'am, thank you. The way you teach us, the way you love us, the knowledge you share with us, I really very what I say, nothing to have but thank you ma'am. Wish you a very happy Teachers Day again ma'am. I was lucky to have my bio teacher as wonderful as you are ma'am. Ma'am, you are so sweet. You inspired us, you motivate us to crack the NEET exam. You make us the confidence level high. No, ma'am, you understand every student situation. But ma'am, that I don't know. When I was seeing any three triple things, so I was thinking and I was going in biology language and I was called them a triploplastic. And when I see in double thing, I was saying that it is a diploplastic. It is पता है मुझे भी यही लगता था गाइस, सेम टू सेम यही लगता था कि बायो लेके मैंने कोई गलती तो नहीं कर दी है, बट आज ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार अगर मैम अच्छी हो तो बायो भी कुछ नहीं, सब पढ़ सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू।
सब्जेक्ट ने जान ली सारे 11th और 12th क्लास के बच्चों की, लेकिन उस सब्जेक्ट को भी, जी हाँ फिजिक्स, लेकिन उस सब्जेक्ट को भी जो कोई हंसते मुस्कुराते पढ़ा दे वो है हमारे सर विजय सर। वो बनाए हमें इंसान और दे सही गलत की पहचान, और निर्माताओं को हमारा शत प्रणाम। मैं और मेरे ग्रुपवासियों की तरफ से आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।